Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If today is your first time of coming across my video, my name is Queen King. Now, today's video is all about Facecap braidwig. Yes, if you love what you are seeing, watch this video to the end. Like, share, and subscribe. Join the family. Thank you. Now let's get to work. First thing you need is your face cap. It's available in different quality, different color. Then you need your crochet braid, of course, so any type you like. This type I'm using 1.5 pack, that is 90 pieces. Then you need your thread, you need your needle, you need scissors. Then the first thing is to adjust the face cap adjustment to make it bigger. Then turn to the other side, to the wrong side of the face cap. Then wear it, use your T-pin to pin it down to the dummy head, just like the way I'm doing. Then this label, I think I cut it away, but be careful when you are cutting it, or you just leave it like that. Be careful when you are cutting it. Then the first thing is to draw your, can you see, I'm going to sew, that's where I'm going to sew my braid wig at the middle of the, we have 3 lines there, so I'm going to sew from the middle. Don't start from the beginning to make your braid cap cap very neat and lovely. So I'm using 1.5 pack, that's 90 pieces of this particular one. So if you are using tiny braid, crochet braid, so you need more than 90 pieces. So this one is 90 pieces because this size is big and is okay for me. So the first thing is to start from the beginning of the face cap. Make sure you start from the beginning where the face cap started. So just knot it down 3 times, pick it one by one and knot it down 3 times. We are sewing on the lining of the face cap, the wrong side on the lining. We are not sewing to the other side of the face cap. At the end of this, you will see the right side neatly done and the needle did not go to the other side. Those are the things you will need to afford. Don't let the needle go to the other side. We are only sewing on the lining of the face cap. Just continue sewing closely to each other, very close to each other, just like this. So when you get to this, make sure you don't sew on the adjustment of the face cap. Can you see? So this place I need two more crochets. We are tying it 3 times, like I said, and they are very close to each other. If you are here to subscribe to my YouTube channel, please subscribe. God bless you as you do. If there is any tutorial you want me to bring here, I'll work on it and bring it here for you guys. I have so many training on this wig cap. We have art wig cap. I have so many. I'm going to be dropping it every week. So this time around we are going up. We are not sewing on the adjustment, so make sure you are still sewing on the lining. There is a lining under that place. Make sure your needle did not go to the other side of the face cap. Can you see how neatly my own is? Make sure you are sewing on the lining closely to each other. Closely to each other. Now you come down again to link up with the line I drew. So we are still going to sew closely to each other until we get to the beginning of the face cap. You make sure that the braid end there before we go up again to make it fuller. Can you see how neatly it's done? Can you see? So we are going to draw again. Can you see? So we are going to sew this time around. You don't need to make it very close to each other again. Just sew it anyhow you like, not like scanting though, but not very close like the first line we did. So if you are here to subscribe and you are still watching this beautiful tutorial, please subscribe. Thank you. So this time around we are going up again, the middle, the adjustment side. So just find your way and sew on the braid wig we did before, but make sure that your needle did not go to the other side, because we need to make that area very full. And if you want to learn more about this, I have a class, more detail, and maybe you don't understand this very well, you can hit me up on my WhatsApp number. We are coming down again to that side, and we are done. Can you see? And it's done. It's all done. So the next thing you want to do now is to make sure you get your hot glue or your glue. If you can use, maybe you can use a super glue, I don't know, but I use hot glue to glue that lining to the cap. Yes, to make it firm. Glue it down like that. If you don't have hot glue, I think you can use super glue or any glue that can glue something like this. So just see the way I'm doing it now. I have to glue it down to make that braid cap firmly. See the final look of our braid cap. Can you see how neat? So the next thing I did is to spray my my spray old and my mousse then on the braid to make it shiny. Can you see the end look? Thanks for watching, guys. Bye bye.